Hi everyone. Do you want a free VPN and get an airdrop too? If yes, then this video is for you. The project is called Ping Network. As I mentioned, it's a VPN. Everything is pretty standard here. You just need to download the extension and earn points that will be converted into tokens. You can download it on your phone from the App Store and Google Play. You can also install the extension on your PC from the Chrome Web Store. Registration happens in the extension. You need to connect your email, then click Connect. Now, let's take a look at the tabs. In the VPN tab, click at the bottom and choose a country. After that, you need to start mining. In the Earn tab, you'll see the number of points you've earned in the center. And above that, the active booster, multiplier, and time. You activate it in the Boost tab. In the Boost tab, there are tasks. Each has a coefficient and a duration. Complete them whenever you want and activate the boost. Using a referral code gives you a 10% boost for the entire time. At the top, there is a progress bar. It shows the points for the first season. There are a total of 1 billion points. The season ends when we all reach that billion together. So far, 64 million points have been collected. Don't waste time. This is just the project start. There are 3 seasons planned in total. In my opinion, this project is awesome. A free VPN and an airdrop on top. So, join in and start earning points. The link is in the description. Happy dropping, everyone.